This is going to be a tough video for some of you, but it's the truth because I know a lot of you guys have been here before. You have this woman that you want, but she's not giving you the time of day, saying things like she's not looking for a relationship right now, etc. And every single time you ask her out, she's deflecting or brushing you off, things of that nature. So you moved on, doing great in life, and she comes back one day acting like nothing ever happened. She won't tell you this, but what really happened is that she's run out of options and she's fallen back on the man that she friend zoned during the time when she wasn't ready to settle down. It happens all the time. A lot of women push aside good men, and when the desire to become a wife and a mother starts setting in because everybody around her is in thriving relationships and marriages, she tries to run back to the same good men that she friend zoned. The good old feminists today call it their soft woman era. So in other words, they're done messing around and now they're ready to settle down and be treated like a queen and spoiled. This type of woman is bad news because she sees you as an escape plan. She's storing away a bunch of men just like you for a rainy day because in her mind, she's already got you in the bag. And when she's done playing the field, she can always come back and settle down with you. But you're not an option to double back to. You're not a plan B. You deserve not to be stored away in a line of a bunch of other men. These type of women are leeches. They act like they don't want you, but the truth is that they know you're good for them. They know the qualities and values you possess, but they're not ready for you. So they use you for your advice, for your knowledge, your opinions, your emotional support, your shoulder to cry on, etc. But the day will come, the day always comes, when the men that she's running around with, the bad boys, get tired of her and she has no one that's truly there for her because her game in the field is over. Those women often end up pushing the I'm independent, I don't need a man narrative. It's a chess move, guys. So stay one step ahead. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.